Welcome to downtown Bangkok. This is Central Road, the location of the second percent Arabica in Bangkok. Smell of coffee. Arabica. Very casual seating arrangement here. This is not one of the big branches here. This is the second branch. I've shown you the first branch somewhere else. And although the place is small, I would say it is rather packed with people. Items here are for sale. Well, this is the scene at about 5 p.m. Bangkok time on a Friday, which is a holiday. This is a very small branch of percent here in Bangkok, but I must say it is quite popular. There's a lot of people. There's a queue there, at the top. And I kind of like this seating area. It's not really to work, it's more about having a place to meet friends and enjoy your cup of coffee just for a short while. It's not a place that you can stay and do your work. It's not something like Starbucks, it's very different. So this is a place to enjoy your coffee, more like it. So when I say, could this be the next Starbucks, what I mean is that on a global scale. Percent Arabica is a franchised coffee originally from Japan, and that's why they have a Kyoto latte. What do I fancy today? They don't have a very extensive menu, but I suppose that's the beauty of it. You don't want to confuse your customers. So this is the menu for the coffee beans. I'm about to order my drink and I'm going to ask them what's the difference between Kyoto latte and Spanish latte, and I'm going to tell you what is the difference with Chao latte. Okay, so I'm just waiting for my cue now. The call Kyoto latte from Spanish latte. Yen. I'm ordering Kyoto latte and the Spanish latte ice. I'm going to compare the two. Okay, so those is 360 baht. ไม่ทราบว่าขนาดเท่าไหร่คะ Okay, so for the ice drinks they use 12 ounces. That's their cup. And each one is เท่าไหร่นะอันละเท่าไหร่นะ ถ้าเป็นเกียวโตกับสเปนนิจ้า180 บาทเป็นเย็น Okay, for the Kyoto latte is 180 baht. That's $6. แล้ว Spanish latte เท่าไหร่นะ180เท่ากัน Okay, so Spanish latte is also 180 baht, which is also $6. 1.5 ounce. Okay, so for the iced latte they use 20 grams of coffee beans and they pour 45 grams of espresso shots.อันนี้เป็นอะไรคะ
Spanish latte.
Spanish latte. Okay, this is their Spanish latte. เมื่อกี้ใช้น้ำข้นหวานนะเยอะเท่าไหร่คะ
ประมาณ10ครับ
ฮะ
ประมาณ
10 gram. Okay. So condensed milk and fresh milk. This is their Spanish latte. And now they're going to make the Kyoto latte. Kyoto latte ก็ใช้ปริมาณกาแฟเหมือนกันใช่ไหมคะ
คล้ายๆกันเลย
เหมือนกันเลยแต่ว่าต่างกันตรงไหนคะ
ต่างกับตัวเมล็ดครับ
Okay, so I asked them for their Kyoto latte. It's exactly the same recipe with their Spanish latte. It's just different coffee bean. pull it straight into their plastic cup.อันนี้เป็นเกียวโตลาเต้ใช่ไหมคะโอเคขอบคุณค่ะหลอดที่ไหนคะ Okay, so this is, I hope that I don't get it mixed up. This is the Kyoto latte, which seem to be very similar, and this is the Spanish latte. Time to find out how they taste like. Moment of truth, which one tastes better? But they look very similar, to be honest. I'm not sure which one is which one anymore. I'm just going to give this a try and see how it fares compared to my own mix, or my own blend, okay? This seems to be the Spanish latte. So I recall this had a little bit more of the coffee here. Spanish latte. Wow, okay. Let me try the other one. For those that have already tried percent Kyoto latte and Spanish latte, tell me what you think, okay? Comment below. I think this is the Kyoto latte with the lighter roast coffee beans. I kind of prefer this one better than the Spanish latte. The taste is very, very similar. It's just a different taste profile of the coffee. Well, there you go. Now you know the differences between a Kyoto latte and Spanish latte. Not really much difference there. It's just different coffee beans. So there you go. Well, to be honest, I tried both the Kyoto latte and the Spanish latte, and I must say the taste is just okay. I would say that if you go to some local shops here or local specialty coffee shops in Thailand, you'll get a more wow factor. But you cannot discount the fact that this place is very popular. You can see by the number of people here. So there you go, percent Arabica at Central World in Bangkok. And I'm going to visit the last one, which is another one of their flagship store at Icon Siam next. So stay tuned. I'll see you again for more. Thank you for watching. Ciao for now.